Here we go.
Okay, well, hold on. Let's go up to the top so you can turn around and we'll go back down the hill. Let's go all the way up to the top.
Ooh.
Not on the grass, Daddy. That's right.
Not on the grass, Daddy. Not on the grass.
Not on the grass, Daddy.
Want to go down the hill? Hey, turn away from the grass. Let's turn right. Turn the other way. Turn the other way. Straight it up. There you go. Straighten it out. Okay, we'll go this way. Keep the wheel straight.
You doing so good, babe?
We see ya.
Watch out, you're going to hit the grass. Turn it the other way.
It's so bright I can't, not sure what I'm filming here.
Oh, bug. Gross.
Oh. Oh, her eyes are covered up.
Uh-oh.
Oh, there she is. There she is.
She's watching her big sister go.
She is. Watching Lila Ryan.
In the grass.
In the grass. Gonna come back this way. Here she comes. Here she comes. Whoa.
Well, you can't go in the street.
Here we come.
Watch out where you're going. Turn it. Up the other way.
That way. Good job.